Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use your BNB to pay fees on Binance. It's an easy process, but you must have an account on Binance. And by using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you're going to stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. So guys, in order to have or make use of the BNB, you must head over to the wallet section, and by scrolling from the overview to the spot, this is where your BNB must be. So please, if you're going to be depositing, deposit here, or if you have BNB on your funding, you could simply click on the transfer option, which is just here, and transfer your available BNB from your funding wallet to your spot. So click on max and click on confirm transfer. So once you've done this, simply reload and you find your BNB there. Head back to the home icon and select the icon at the top left. Once you've selected this icon, please make sure your account is verified as I said before, and simply click on the regular or the diamond shape there. Once you've done this, simply click on use BNB to pay for fees, use BNB to pay margin interest if that's what you want. By doing this, you're getting a 25% discount when trading. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.